Hi guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. Today we're doing another Technique Tuesday and we're talking about what is shadow position, and specifically we're going to do it in the rhythm style, okay? So today we're actually going to be talking about what's called Sweetheart, which is also another version of a shadow position. So in cha-cha, we go cha-cha-cha, and now we're in Sweetheart hold, which is a version of shadow. So shadow position is really just when the leader is slightly behind, we're facing the same direction. That is the basics of shadow position. There's other versions and other steps of shadow position, but I think Sweetheart is probably the first one you'll see in the rhythm styles, okay?
So as we move into this again, the connection is really interesting because now, especially for the follower, she's not applying energy towards me. It's really away from me, but still forward for her, but I'm behind her at this point. So in order for us to still feel each other, she's sending a little bit of energy outward, right, in this direction, so I can still feel her here, where if we get really small with this and tiny, it gets obviously uncomfortable. So she creates a little bit of space here going forward. So now as we change direction here, we want to maintain this space that she has in front of herself instead of getting too small, as I also just stand upright and stay in her shadow necessarily, you know, behind her until I want to let her out again.
So we're going to show you a different version of shadow position in cha-cha, where you can see that he is also on my side. We're on the other side in this direction, of course, but he's having his hand on my back. He's also side by side, a little slight variation on a shadow position in a rhythm dance such as cha-cha, but we just wanted to kind of demonstrate different versions of it. But the main thing is that we're both facing the same direction. But what's important as well for in Sweetheart specifically is that I offer him my hand up above. That way he doesn't have to go down and reach for it. So it's definitely something that is practiced. But we want to maintain this connection, keep it a little bit loose. In this specific side, his hand's over my right shoulder. And then if we were to switch here, for example, whoops, and then it goes over my other shoulder. Good. All right guys, I hope you liked this super quick video and explanation on what is shadow position and the rhythm dances. If you haven't yet, check out our website, ballroomfeed.com. We have a whole section on cha-cha. We'll be expanding our rhythm soon, so stay tuned for that. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.